Splat House.
Let's go.
So the moment you walk in, the people there will give you these feet covers and raincoat to really protect your body from all the paint that is splattering around in the Splat House. As you can see, there are people from all ages, young kids to adults and families. This is really the perfect place for anyone to channel their artistic expression. If you ever run out of date ideas and where to hang out, this is really the perfect place for you to hang out with your friends and family.